Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get the Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your computer. So this tutorial will be a free trial tutorial. You can renew the free trial every 7 days, so you get the Adobe Creative Cloud for free every time. So here just go to the search bar and type Adobe Creative Cloud free trial and then click on enter. Here click on start a 7-day free trial of Creative Cloud Pro and click on start free trial. And then here you will have the Creative Cloud all apps 100 gigabytes. Click on continue. You will have all the applications of Adobe, so Adobe XD, Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, etc. So everything will be downloaded in your computer. Here take the yearly plan and click on continue. After that, fill in all the needed informations, so your email address and your card details, so the card number, the month, the CVV, first name, last name, and the country, and then you can start your free trial. So here, if you notice in the free trial terms, you'll see that the billing automatically starts after the free trial ends, and you can cancel before August 1st to avoid getting billed. So here also, due now, $0, so it's completely free. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.